Hi, I'm Jason Woke with Echo Incorporated, and in this video we'll be showing you how to install a 90181Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on this SRM 2620. Before we get started, we want to make sure we have safety glasses, a piece of wire we can bend into the shape of a hook so we can pull the fuel filter out of the fuel tank, and a 5/8 or 16mm spark plug wrench, and of course the 90181Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit. Before removing the air filter cover, we want to move the choke lever into the cold start position, and then also make sure the ignition switch is in the stop or off position. To remove the air filter, we'll loosen the top and the bottom air filter cover knob. Take the old air filter out, and then there's a little grid that holds the pre-filter in place, and just pull that out and go ahead and pull out the pre-filter. Next, we'll install a new pre-filter. The pre-filter locking grid. Reinstall the new filter, and then secure the cover with the bottom and the top locking screws. To replace the spark plug, we'll go ahead and pull off the spark plug boot from the top of the spark plug. Then using our 5/8 or 16mm spark plug wrench, we'll go ahead and unthread the spark plug from the engine in a counterclockwise direction. And we'll reinstall our new spark plug. We'll get the thread started with our fingers first. Then come back with our 16mm 5/8 spark plug wrench and fully tighten down into the engine. And then go ahead and reinstall the spark plug boot on top of the spark plug. To replace the fuel filter, we'll loosen the fuel tank cap. We'll pull the cap tether out of the tank, and then using our piece of wire that we bent in the shape of a hook, we'll reach into the tank, grab a hold of our fuel line, pull it out of the opening, and just take note there's a little fuel line clamp on there. We want to go ahead and hold that in place while we pull out the old filter, and then make sure that clamp stays in place when we install the new filter. Then we'll go ahead and take the fuel line and fuel filter and push it back into the tank and reinstall our tether and tighten our fuel cap. This concludes the installation of the 90181Y YouCan maintenance tune-up kit on this SRM 2620. However, the installation procedures for this kit are the same for all 2620 series powered products. Thanks for watching, and be sure to tune back for additional YouCan maintenance installation videos.